What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. I'm out here in Nashville, Tennessee, doing an installation on this beautiful home theater. We just installed the IWLCR6 1000 series as well as the IWLCR6 for our front soundstage. And today I wanted to make a quick little micro video showing this cool little product that Focal has for their 1000 series. It's an on-wall mount in case you can't put the speaker in the wall, but you want it to match the rest of your surround system. This is gonna be really common if your studs aren't lining up center with the screen, kind of like in this situation. We can just bolt the box to it. This has been color matched to the wall, so it'll blend in pretty well. If you look closely, it actually has a nice little bezel to it, kind of a nice design aspect. Yeah, what's really cool about this box is not only can we use it on sheetrock, but a lot of you guys have basements, or maybe you live in a place where you have concrete walls, brick walls, any area in your home where you don't even want to go into the wall, you may want to consider utilizing this product here. Or say there's like, I've used it a lot on projects where there's like just a wall of glass and there's a little spot in between the window and the door where we could put the speaker, but the studs aren't cooperating. There's really no space inside the wall. It's almost all wood, but there's enough space to fit the speaker. Perfect problem solver. Really like this piece and excited to do an installation video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be installing it up underneath our screen. We're doing a full 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos 1000 series Focal installation here, so you guys can go check out this full build. I'm just gonna start by doing a quick install of this product on this micro video here today. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, reach out today for a free video consultation. Dream Media is nationwide. All right, guys, let's go. So guys, what we're doing now is we're gonna line up dead center, make sure that our bracket is mounted in the appropriate location. And then we're going to take our speaker and make sure that it's dead center on the wall, but also level. This is the template for an in-wall speaker. If we were able, like if we had the wall custom framed, we could then put the center speaker in the horizontal orientation, no problem, but we got several studs here. This is where we want the center, but we're gonna use our on-wall bracket here. Right now, we got everything marked out so we can install our sheetrock anchors. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to hit studs, but we're gonna use 4 75-pound drywall anchors. So this thing is gonna be rock solid. Okay, so what I like to do, guys, is just drill a little pilot hole. That way our anchors go in really easy. That was not a drill bit. That's a Phillips head screwdriver, but it gets the job done. So now you can see I got everything ready to go. Now I'm just gonna install my 75-pound sheetrock anchors. They're gonna go in and spread, really securing that mount to the wall.
Been in Nashville too long.
I have been. Look at you, Kellen.
They're right here.
No messes allowed. So now watch how easy these go in now that I've got some pilots here. Boom. There we go. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and install the bracket.
That would probably hold it, but we've got 6 more.
Yeah, so here at Dream Media, we like to go overkill, guys. Like, we don't want anything coming off the walls, so obviously, like, that would be more than enough, 150 pounds. But I'm gonna put them all in just to make sure this puppy doesn't go anywhere. You can hang from that puppy. It's not going anywhere now. As you can see, those things are bolted in solid now on both sides. As you guys can see over here at the rear, there is a bunch of free wiring for the home back here. Here's our speaker line for our center speaker. This is a strong FS series rack we're gonna be using. Guys, I've used this a ton. This is for sale on the Dream Media website. Comes fully assembled, ventilation, shelves, really nice wheels and casters built in. Basically everything that you need. As you can see, Kelton's in here right now, stripping back the wires, getting ready to connect our center speaker.
If you're gonna be doing a whole theater with Focal speakers from us, I would really, recommend. We don't sell everything in the kitchen sink here at Dream Media, but these will make life a lot easier when you're doing, 7, 11, 16, whatever it is of these speakers. These little hex bits that will go in a drill will just make everything more efficient. So these are a different size than what you're going to be using to kick out the dog legs. You still want to be really, really gentle with these. Okay, and it only spins one way. So right now that's the orientation, so we're going to spin it. Okay.
All right, guys, all we're doing now is just connecting black to black, red to red. Guys, something that we just learned as we were installing the speaker into the enclosure is there's 2 separate sides to the enclosure, and it's important that you notate that when switching your tweeter directionality, because it actually has a cutout specifically for the speaker wire and the terminals and everything to come into, whereas the other side does not. So now, unfortunately, we just have to flip our tweeter again. All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, whole house audio, 2-channel hi-fi, really any electronics for your home or business, reach out today. Dream Media is nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Obviously, our specialty is home theaters and high-end home cinema builds. We're gonna be doing a full-blown installation video on this home theater right here in Nashville, Tennessee. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel so you can see the full installation video. I know a lot of you guys out there have requested more of these installation videos, so I'm out here getting the guns out and putting on a show for you guys. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.